So you're probably asking yourself, who is this guy? Does he know about mowers? These are my 2 mowers now. And wondering how I got myself into this situation. Got a regular mower, got my real mower. Why would you need a second one? That's a good question.
So it all started with a Facebook ad. I found this mower on Facebook Marketplace for $300 with a new engine on it. Fully adjustable, needed a little bit of love. Seemed like a simple enough project. I guess we'll find out. So let's take a look at this mower. We see we have a little damage on the shaft there. The front roller is a little rusted. Paint overall a little beat up. This did come fully assembled when I got it. You can see the spacer there on the side, used to offset the support bar. And what are those? See something I see? Washers. Well, okay, I have to take care of that. A little scrape on the side, but alrighty, so this should be a fairly quick project, unlike all my other ones. Let's just hope that I don't go into, oh no. Oh, why would I do that? Why would I take this whole thing apart? It was already running, so why am I taking it all apart? So I used Tinkercad to design an engine mount plate using specifications from the Harbor Freight website for the Predator 212 engine. This plate is designed to space out the weight and go ahead and evenly distribute it. Now the hole-to-hole matches my Mclane 20-inch reel mower exactly. The files are available on Thingiverse and will tell you proper printing specifications. If this needs any updates, the link is in the file description below. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more.